My friends, for a long time I tried to travel Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang of West Bengal. But frankly speaking, I never managed time to travel Chimney Heritage Garden. My friends, today in the morning I have got the sudden planning to travel Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang. My friends, with your blessings and support, now I am standing in front of Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang of West Bengal. My friends, this is the area of Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang. My friends, now I am entering in this garden and I can show you the here and there of Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang. My friends, this is the Chimney Heritage Garden located in Bagora, a small village 8 kilometers from Katsiang at the highest altitude 7,150 feet of Katsiang subdivision. My friends, Forest Department of Katsiang has restored this Chimney Heritage Garden and its surroundings area. My friends, it is known as Chimney Heritage Garden located in Katsiang subdivision of Darjeeling district. My friends, now I stand in front of ticket counter and the cost of the ticket is rupees 20 per head. Sir, give me one ticket. My friends, this is the ticket I have taken from ticket counter and the cost of the ticket is rupees 20 per head. My friends, this is the ticket of rupees 20 per head per day, which I have drawn from the ticket counter of Chimney Heritage Garden located in Katsiang of Darjeeling district. My friends, slowly now I am entering the Chimney Heritage Garden. My friends, this is the most historical place in the Indian history. My friends, Chimney Heritage Garden is surrounded by luxuriant at pine forest and the astounding Himalayan mountains in the backdrop. Chimney Heritage Garden holds plethora of historical significance. Chimney Heritage Garden was once the den of British during the First World War, and this Chimney Heritage Garden was made with the 24 feet. My friends, this Chimney Heritage Garden in Katsiang, a sleepy Himalayan hamlet, is named after a 24 feet tall
100-year-old chimney which was built during the First World War for British officers, which is now restored to its original glory by Forest Department of Kaohsiung in the district of Darjeeling in West Bengal. My friends, this chimney heritage garden is the reminder of British era. British officials and the soldiers were resting under the shadow of this chimney heritage garden. When they took the rest here, they used to trek from Kaohsiung and other villages. My friends, viewpoint of Chimney Heritage Garden. See, my friends, how the chimney in Chimney Heritage Garden stands here. My friends, chimney in Chimney Heritage Garden in Kaohsiung is world famous chimney, and there is a viewpoint where we can see the Sandakphu on a sunny day, and this is the area from where we can enjoy that.
My friends, if you follow this direction, then you will get more natural views or more natural beauties. And this is the gate.
If you go through the area and reach on the top of Chimney Heritage Garden, then you will find the Tista and Mahananda rivers, and apart from that, there is a viewpoint where we can see the Sandakphu on a sunny day. My friends, Chimney is a nature lover's paradise, and here is the beauty of Tista and Mahananda river.
My friends, you can elevate your mood with the food from here, and this is the food counter.
As I have come in the morning, then the food stall remains closed. But if you come here after 10 o'clock in the morning, then you will get the variety of foods from this food stall at very reasonable rate.
My friends, this chimney is the testimony of Dak Bungalow, and this chimney had been built during the British period, and this place is situated with an altitude of 7,200 feet from the sea level in Kaohsiung. My friends, thank you so much, and I request all of you just make your time and come here on the ground of chimney which was built during the British period. My friends, thank you.